Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your account is data ready. Switch to a business or creator profile and connect the Facebook page. Once done, link Ads Manager and grant permissions so you capture ad-level metrics. Next, enable native insights and allow access for any third-party analytics tools you plan to use. This first step unlocks reach, impressions, saves, and profile activity, and it sets up tracking for campaigns so you can measure what matters from day one. Now you analyze and segment. Open insights and compare reach, impressions, engagement rate, saves, and shares across formats. Once you isolate top-performing reels or stories, drill into audience filters, age, gender, location, and active hours to understand who engages. Then create content cohorts and tag posts for themes so you can test variables like CTA placement or thumbnail. Make sure to export 7 30-day reports and annotate campaign changes. This provides the evidence you need to iterate with confidence. Finally, optimize campaigns and close the loop. Run a /B tests for creative, caption, and CTA over 3 7-day windows, then reallocate budget to top performers. Once you see gains, scale gradually and use saved audience segments for lookalike campaigns. If metrics unexpectedly drop, troubleshoot quickly. Check UTM tags, tracking pixels, and whether algorithmic reach changed due to content type. Also review shadow bins or policy flags. Fix tracking first, then retest. This restores reliable data and keeps performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.